In today's video, I will show you how to enable address auto-completion in Shopify checkout. So first we'll log in Shopify account, then click on settings, then look for checkout and accounts, and then scroll a bit down where you see a section called order processing. It should be right here. And then you want to enable this setting, use address auto-completion. Enable, then save. Now let's go to the Shopify checkout and let me refresh the page. Now, if a customer were to type in their address, and for example purposes, let's use this one, 15 York Street. As you can see, there are several suggestions, and I can select the one which is correct, and then that's pretty much it. This is how you enable address auto-completion in Shopify. So I hope you found this Shopify tip useful, and for more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.